Stan talent, stan Stray Kids. They are fucking amazing. They make the best noise in the world. 안녕하세요, 저는 로키고요, and welcome back to my channel where today, fam, I am giving you another double Stray Kids reaction. What is with me? I don't know, but goddamn, I love getting a hype with you guys in these premieres lately. So look, today we are going to be reacting to Stray Kids Mixtape number 4 video, obviously street version, shot in Sydney, goddamn, hell yes. And then we are going to be reacting straight after that to Stray Kids' My Pace performance video. So without any further ado, let's like the shit out of this one. Let's go full screen and let's start this reaction in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Man, I miss Sydney. Felix. Why are you looking like that, my dude? Hey. I vibe this, dude. Dude, the saddest thing is, none of these people probably realize that talent is among them. Could you imagine just fucking seeing Minnow sitting right in front of you on Sydney Harbour? Seeing Mr. Machine Gun just wrapping himself around a pole? Like, hey, his flow is stupid. Hey. Hey, that Jack Sparrow reference? Get it. Dude, they're adorable, man. Hey! Hey! Dude, I feel so bad for these people who don't know who they are. Hey! Dude. Hey. Ooh. Ian has normal colored hair for once. Hey. I just got Ian confused with Hyunjin and I'm mad. Hey. Ujin. Hey. Can you fucking relax, please? And don't look so, like, uninterested. Oh my god, let's go back. That was hilarious. Dude, okay, I need to play that again. What did Han do? Oh my god, dude, what a prankster. He's hilarious. Hey, facts. Alright, Chan in an unbuttoned shirt. He's attacking people on purpose at this stage. Minnow, chill. Chill. Dude, this makes me so happy. What the heck? This song is fire too. Hey. I love their confidence. You don't have to act like that, my guy. Is he wearing leather pants? Hey. Captain Chan. 2018. 그때가 시작. Hey. Oh my god. Han sweeping behind him? Holy shit, dude. My man singing. Tell him. Dude, they are goons. I love it. Oh my god. Team Changbin, dude. He's hilarious. Hey. I love them so much, man. Holy shit. I feel so bad, like I said, for everyone who doesn't know who they are. That's crazy. All right, fam, let's get straight into Stray Kids' My Pace performance video. As usual, let's give this one a big old like. Let's go full screen and start this reaction in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. For those of you guys who do not know, My Pace is actually probably one of my favorite songs from them. The rap just goes so damn hard. 그래 이거지. 부러워 부러워 so 에이 우스워 누군가와 날 비교한다는 게 너무 무서워 하지마 그런 비교 따윈 의미 없잖아 거짓말 These boys are getting it. Hey, that little shoulder roll. Hey, 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 hey. Pace, hey. I vibe this choreo so hard, dude. Ready? Let's go. Na 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 na. So playful. I love it. Hey, hey. 근데 남을 쳐다봐. 그리고 나를 봐. 뭔가 나보다 하나씩은 더 잘난 것 같아. 에이, 왜 가라? 왜 가요? 자꾸 보게 돼. 나도 모르게 모르고 고르는 선택의 연속이 몰아줘. 해볼까 나만 뒤처지가 My man. 다른 애들 봐. 다른 애들 봐. Hey. Oh, that little shoulder roll is my favorite. I'm not even gonna try. Dude, the camera work on that jump is amazing. Felix's part in this is so damn good. The simple choreo too, amazing. Hey, hey, hey. Dude, this choreo slaps. This song slaps. Ready? Let's go. Seeing the choreo for this just makes it that much more hype. Damn. Dude, Changbin's smile.
오케이, 수고하셨습니다.
오케이. 완전 잘했어요. Hell yeah, dude. Look, fam, I am just continuously impressed by Stray Kids. Those of you who have at least been following me for long enough now know that I just don't have any words when it comes to explaining how I feel about them. So I'm just going to say this. Stan talent, stan Stray Kids. They are fucking amazing. They make the best noise in the world. So look, honestly, if you guys enjoy listening to this noise with me, then make sure to give this video a like, obviously, and subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more of this noise so that we can enjoy this together. I make Stray Kids reactions pretty much every single damn day, and I envision myself doing so literally for the rest of my life, hopefully. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single last one of you. And until next time, take care. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.